Today with us, Giulio Zeppieri at the Falkensteiner Punta Skala Zadar Open. Congrats on your win. How tough was the match against Jason Teng?
Yeah, it was a really tough match. We know each other when we was very young. We are the same age, so it's difficult to play against him. I know we know each very well, but I'm very happy about my performance today, and we will see if maybe Friday against Flavio, another good friend.
Okay, you have been 5-1 up in the third set, and Jason came back to 5-4. Did you get a little bit nervous?
Yeah, a little bit. I know against Jason the match was never down, so I need to be focused all the time. Maybe without with the wind, it was a little bit different to play here, but I made a good game serve on 5-4, so I'm happy.
Great. You should have been first seeded here in the main draw, but you came playing qualies, knowing you are the best ranked player here at the Zadar Open. How tough is it to play qualies again?
Yes, it's tough because you played too much more. I had a mistake with the with the list, so I played two more matches. But it's good for me because maybe I get more comfortable. First tournament outdoor, first tournament of Clay of the Year, so more match I play and it's better for me.
Very nice. How is it your first time in Zadar?
Second time.
Second time already. How do you like it so far?
Yes, the rest is very cool. Also the organization, it's all very close. It's also the hotel and the court, so everything is perfect here.
Great. What is your plan for the next few weeks, next tournaments?
Yeah, I play in Sanremo, and after I go to Estoril, try the quali in ATP 250, and the other week I go Monte Carlo.
Okay, we wish you good luck for the rest of the tournament and for the rest of your other tournaments, but we still have a small present for you. It's from our sponsor Brita. They work with water filtration and reducing plastic.
Thank you so much, I appreciate it a lot.
No problem.
Thank
Thank you.